How do we get a real fever in 10 minutes? You can fake a fever in many ways. To be frank, I tried to fake a fever with onion to bunk the school. So on Sunday evening, I pretended to be sick and feverish. On that night I took 4 slices of onion and put them under my armpits overnight, drank hot water and covered myself with blanket and slept happily hoping for the result. But in the morning, I was so pouting face, disappointed face, upset. It didn't work. I was absolutely normal and the temperature was as usual. But I didn't stop trying and didn't lost hope. I tried to do with another trick in less time. I took a cold water bath and immediately had hot water bath early in the morning . That too didn't work. Finally did one last try. Took thermometer. Rubbed the bulb against my pant very fastly and temperature shown was 102 degrees. I sprinkled some hot water on my face, pretending to be hot and some sort ill. I dried my entire body with hair dryer electrical and went straight to my parents with thermometer. They believed it and I bunked my classes. So, this is how to fake a fever in not more than 10 minutes. I hope it is helpful. Don't worry, you don't get any side effects by this and your thermometer will also not get affected. I mean, it won't get damaged. Winking face, folded hands, medium light skin tone.